Good afternoon, all viewers all over the world. Uh, this is your boy again on this wonderful and lovely video. I'm on a live trading, right? This is on the 25th of April, 2022, on a Monday, right? And it's already 3:30. Now I'm not trying to confuse anybody, but now I just want to show you trading this strategy, the breakout strategy, trading Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq, but now we are not trading because we are not fundamental traders, and it's already 3:30, but we are not trading on South African time, right? We are not trading because we are not fundamental traders. Now this is how I'm going to show you. This is how I'm gonna get you into the technique of mastering this strategy of scalping or breakout trading Nasdaq, right? Now, on my previous video, I just explained more into details about the markets, but now I just want to show you trading live, right? I just want to show you trading live with you. Look at this. I just want to show you few things that you can learn, right, from this strategy. I mean, this is a consistent strategy. You can use it anytime, anywhere. um the moment you master this strategy and having the patience to do so, then you can be a profitable trader. One thing about this strategy, right? You must be patient. You must be willing to be patient, to wait hours before the movement take place. I'm going to explain now. I'm just putting my lines in place so that you can see. On my previous video, I explained using a dashboard, right? I explained using in writing. So I was writing everything and showing everything on paper, but now I'm showing it live in a graph, right? In a trading setup. This is the movement of the market taking place right now. Trading Nasdaq using the breakout strategy after news release. Now, what we look at, right? As you look into your chart, I'm just gonna minimize it a little bit. Okay. As you look at your chart, since from this previous higher highs, right, the market dropped up to this point, up to this level right here, where we have a little bit of a rejection taking place. As you can see, my sensor right there. Look at what the market did when it reaches this price. We have a rejection here. We have a rejection here on the downside. Now what you do is, the market was on a bearish movement for over a long period of time, right? The market has been dropping and dropping and dropping. Now when it reaches this level, what it does, it rejects the sellers at this level. Now we see, as fundamental, oh no, I'm sorry, as technical traders, as naked forex traders, we sense that there is something that took place at this price. Why? Because the market has been on a downfall. The market has been on a downfall, and now, on our surprise, now we have a rejection now taking place right here, and the market did what? It went up a little bit. Okay, now we look at this rejection levels. You see this rejection level, right? And also this rejection level. Now what happens to this, or on an upside, is that the market came falling, the market came dropping down on a bearish movement, right? And then when it reaches this price, it went up a little bit, and now we are hoping for the market to do what? To buy. But now, to our surprise, we found out that the market rejected at this price, or at this level. Okay, now if we spot this rejection, this candle of a rejection right there, now we do what? We put a line there. And then if we spot another level, is this one where we spotted a rejection taking place at this candle. Now we do what? We put a level. This will be our what? Our new lower lows. And then this one will be our new what? Our new lower highs for this movement, or for this structure right now. Okay, now why are we doing this? The main reason is that we just want a breakout. We want a breakout because this is today. This is today, starting from this level right here. This is today, right? Now the market hasn't given us a clear direction if the market is going on a bullish movement or the market is gonna go on a bearish movement. We don't know. We are not sure where the market is going right now, but we are certainly sure that we have our key levels, our rejected prices at a certain position, right? Now, if we have a rejection at this price right there, and then we have a rejection at this price, we do what? We put our lines there. Those our horizontal lines, our horizontal levels that will give us a direction once the market break out of those two lines. Now, this is what we are going to do as a trader. After you spotted your rejected levels, what are you gonna do now? You are going to, I just want to show you, I just want to write it in so that you can see, now we're gonna put our resistance level, right? We are technical traders, so we trade the price, this is price action taking place. I just want to make it a little bit bold so that anyone can see. I just want to make it a little bit bold so that anyone can see. I don't want you to miss anything on this strategy. This strategy is very simple. It's very simple. You don't have to take years, 3 years or 5 years to master this strategy. I mean, like, anyone can master this strategy. Just that if you find your key levels, if you just find your rejected prices somewhere, somehow, then you put your levels, and then yeah, will be our resistance level, right? This will be our resistance level. And then we need to spot also our support level. This is very important, right? Once you have your support level and your resistance levels, once you have a breakout above the resistance level, we are going to buy. Nasdaq. But once we have a breakout below the support, we are going to sell Nasdaq. After news release, after New York open, right? After New York session open. Very important. You don't trade this strategy anytime. No, we trade it after New York stock take place, after news release, not before news release. Now look at this. This is the market movie. As you can see, now we have like a bullish candle taking place. Those are news taking place, right? Now you have your support level and your resistance level. Now we have our lines, our horizontal lines. Now look at this. If the market breaks above the resistance level, if the market breaks above this line, right, we are going to do what? To assume that we are going to buy Nasdaq. We are going to buy from the market, right? If the market breaks below the support level, this is our support line. This is the support level right there, as price action traders or technical traders. Let's wait for the network right now. Now, if we break below the support level, we know that the market is going to sell. We're gonna look what? We're gonna look for entries of a sell. And then if the market breaks above the resistance level, we are going to look for entries for a buy. Okay, now this is what we call a scalping strategy, or a breakout strategy after the New York session release. After the New York session open. Okay, and also for fundamental traders, after the news release, then we can trade. I think roundabout in South African time, we will trade around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock on the afternoon, or in the afternoons, right? That's where we will find or look for our entries. Now we want the market to reach this level right here, this price right here, above this line. If we close above this line, now we will be looking for buyers. We will be looking for a buy movement. Okay, now also if the market breaks below this level of a support, we will be looking for a what? For a sell setup. We will be looking to sell from the market. We will be looking to sell Nasdaq. Now this is 15-minute chart. Remember, we are now on a 15-minute time frame. Now if the market close above the resistance level, and or let's say, okay, let's assume that the market has closed above the resistance level. on 15-minute chart. We are not automatically going to enter from the market, but we are also gonna go to a 1-minute time frame. We're gonna go to a 1-minute time frame. After the market has a breakout, let me just place my resistance level again so that you can see. This is very simple. Okay, I just want to move the support level right there, right there. Now remember, this is the same setup, this is the same lines. We found these lines where using a 15-minute time frame. We spotted the lines using the 15-minute time frame, meaning that we have analyzed the market on 15-minute time frame. This is Nasdaq, guys. Look at this. Now we have our two lines, the resistance line and the support line, or we can call it the resistance level or the support level, just to be more into depth, just to talk the market, right? That's just to talk the language of forex. Okay, now look at this. This is our lines, right? Now if the market close above this line on 1 hour time frame, if the market close above this resistance line, or if the market breaks above the resistance level, now we are going to buy, or we are going to assume that the market is going on an upside, or the market will start going on a bullish movement. Now look at this candle also. You see, this is a bullish engulfing pattern, right? Now already we know as technical traders that the market seems to be a little bit gaining strength when it comes to buyers. Okay, now we are just waiting for the market to do what? To close above the 1 hour or close above the resistance level using 1 hour time frame. Now if the market closes above this, if this candle closes above this line of us, the resistance line, we are going to buy, right? After news release, very important, always remember this. We are trading after the news release. We are not trading when the news is being released, or when the news is about to be released. No, we wait for the market to move. We wait for the market to retest, to test, to do all those things. You know, for the market to do what? To clear away the stop losses, and all those things, those funny things that the market likes to do. Now we are just waiting patiently. Remember, you must be patient when you are trading this strategy. Now we spotted these lines on a 15-minute chart. Let's go back to 15-minute chart just to summarize the whole thing. Now let me put my resistance level on the right position again, so that no one gets confused or frustrated, right? Now this is our resistant level, or our resistant line, and this one below here, it's our our support line. Now in 15-minute chart, we spot these lines based on the rejected positions, the rejected prices. The market rejected at this level. As you can see, this spike, we call it a spike in the forex of language. As you can see here, this is a spike, you see. Now, and also here we have a spike, right, on a 15-minute time frame. Now if we have a spike like this, or a rejection taking place, and the market moves into a different, or a different direction from the previous movement or direction, now we put our lines. Now we have placed a line on the resistance level right there. Now we have placed a line on the support level. Now this is a question that many traders have been asking me: do we enter on a 15-minute time frame? No, you don't enter on a 15-minute time frame, but you analyze on the 15-minute time frame, right? You analyze on a 15-minute time frame, because we want a breakout. We want a breakout on that hour of 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. If we have a breakout, because the New York is open, the New York session is open, now we want to know where the strength is. Is the strength on the buyers, or is the strength on the sellers, right? We want to analyze that. This is why we call this a scalping strategy, or a breakout strategy. Right now, after you have analyzed your setup on the 15-minute time frame, you go to 1 hour time frame. Same lines, you don't move your lines, right? You use the same lines, you use the same support and resistance levels. Yeah, that is the language you must speak, right? Now You go to 1 hour and then you wait for the candle. Yeah, you wait for the candle to close above the resistance level, then you can enter from the market. If we close above the resistance level, we are expecting the market to go up to this level. Let me show you the take profit. Our take profit will be around this level. Our take profit will be around this level. This is the take. I'm already giving you now where to put your take profits. You put the take profit at the place where the market took where the at the place where the market had action, or where the market had little bit of um formations, because if you look at this taking place right here, I'm sorry about that. Let me just bring it back. If you look at this taking place, we have a double top. We have a double top there. This is a double top. That this is where the movement took place. This is where the movement took place, right? So we are expecting the market to go and retest that double top there. Now on our technical view, we call it a support and resistance. So we are going to retest the resistance that took place right there, right? Again, let me show you previously using this same strategy, using the same Nasdaq, right? Using the same Nasdaq. This was on Friday. Now today is Monday, right? And this was Friday. This happened on Friday. Now what happened is you can see now you have spotted your lines on 15-minute time frame. Let me go back to 15-minute time frame so that you guys can understand this thing using the previous um movement, right? Not only what's happening right now, but I just want to show you also from the past. Now that's how we trade. We look at the market, what happened previously, the movement of that certain pair, right? And all of that. Now this is what happened. This is what happened after the New York Open, right? Now as you can see, now the market came down. The market came falling, or we can say it was on a bearish movement, right? Bearish movement. Now what happened is, to our surprise, now the market started making those movements of an upside. The market started consolidating. We call it a consolidation state. This is where the market is consolidating. The market was going down on a nicer movement on the downside, but now, um to our surprise, the market started rejecting and having those movement there on a certain price, right? Now look at this. The market came up to this level and then it started, sorry about this. The market is moving, right? The market is moving. It's a live trading session, this one, right? It's a live trading session. I just want to make it very clear. Yeah. Now the market started making a consolidation. Yeah, this is a live video. That is why the market is the graph is going up and down, because this is live. Okay, I just want to close my, I will switch off my Wi-Fi right now so that I can finish so that we can just get on with this. Now look at this. This is previously what happened on Friday, right? The market started making these movements on the same price, testing the same price, testing the same price. Now once the market does this, what do we do? Because now the market is not trending on a downside or on an upside, but now the market is testing the same price over and over and over and over again. It's like making those patterns at the same levels, at the same price. Right now, we have to spot our lines of support and resistance. Now if you look at this, the market came to this level. The market was falling and then touched this level right here. Yeah, touch this level right here. Let me just move my line to this level. Yeah, this level. You see this level, the market tested this level, and then it did what? It went up like this, right? And then the market was going up, and then once it reaches this level, it did what? It dropped. Now we put our two lines, before the movement take place. Now this is our resistant line, this is our support line. Now we wait for a breakout, right? Let me just put it like this, yes, so that anyone can see before there is any movement taking place, before the market started taking a direction, before the market took a direction. Now the market, let's assume this is what is taking place, right? Now what the market did is it started moving on a consolidation state, right? Now here the market started doing what? Falling again, and then we put a what? A line of resistance there, and then here we put a line of support. Because of this, once the market reached this level, it went up, right? And this was before the news release. It was around 3 o'clock, right? Around 3 o'clock. That is where we analyze on a 15-minute time frame. Now this is 3 o'clock taking place. Now the market started doing this. Now the market is waiting for a New York session, or New York session to open, so that the market can start moving in those bullish engulfing patterns or bearish engulfing patterns. Now the market is not moving around this level, around these positions, because the New York session hasn't opened. And after New York session opened, look at what it did. It broke below the what? The support level. It broke below the support level. After breaking below the support level, that is where we know that the market is going to sell. And look at what the market did. The market, it sold from there. The market sold from there. Now that is the beauty of this strategy. You just have to spot your resistant line, your support line, or your resistant level and your support level. Then after that, you just have to wait for a breakout. If the market broke above the resistant level, we were going to buy. Okay, now also, if the market breaks no, if the market breaks above the resistance, sorry about that, if the market breaks above the resistant level, we are going to buy. If the market breaks below the support level, we are going to sell, right? Now if the market breaks above the resistance level, you are going to buy. If the market breaks below the support level, you are going to sell. Now, what the market did at this scenario, it broke below the support level, then you sell. After this candle closed, after the candle closed below the support level, below the support line, you sell. Then we look for our sell entries. Then the market started falling. Now again, the same scenario is taking place. The same scenario is taking place on Monday. That was Friday. Now this is Monday. This is Monday, right? Let me remove this line, not to confuse anybody. Let me remove that line. Yeah. Now remember, we have our resistant line, and then we have our support line. Now we are waiting for the market to break. You see, now the market has tested the resistance level. It didn't break above, so we are still waiting and waiting until it breaks above or below our levels. Now I hope this information was very clear. As you look at the time, here is the time. It's 15:57, right? It's almost 4 o'clock right now on the afternoon. Right now we are still waiting. We are not in the market, but we are still waiting for a breakout. Once we have a breakout above this level of our resistance, we are going to buy. Once we have a breakout of this level of a support, we are going to sell. Now we are just waiting, because we are going to scalp in the market. We are going to trade the breakout of the market, right, of Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq, yeah, taking place. I hope this information of the support and resistant level using a breakout strategy after the New York release will be very useful, and make sure you practice this strategy. It's very simple. You just have to analyze around 3 o'clock up to 4 o'clock and spot those levels of rejections there and there, and then after that you just draw your lines, and then after that you just wait for a breakout, then you enter the market. I hope this is very clear and fundamentally speaking, and also using the setup right in the graph, not using a paper or a pen on a paper. I hope this will be a very useful information. And please do like and subscribe on this video, and also keep on commenting, keep on writing those questions, keep on asking, because I did this because based on the questions people were asking me. Right now, I hope I made it clear using the graph, using the naked forex trading, using the support levels, and also using the structures as it is, and trading live. Right, I hope this will be very very useful. And also remember, you have to enter your trades after the candle closes above the support or below, I mean above the resistance or below the support level on a 1 hour time frame. When your candle closes above the resistance level on 1 hour time frame, you buy. When the candle closes below the support level, I mean, yeah, below the support level, you sell on 1 hour time frame. Right, thank you very much guys, and I really appreciate those who are following us. I really appreciate those who are um I'm finding these messages very helpful, finding this information very helpful. Thank you for the comments, thank you for the likes, thank you for subscribing, and also more videos will be sent. I hope this works in our favor. Thank you very much.